Hi, this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go over this phases and phase change worksheet. This is a self-grading worksheet. So again, when doing a Google sheet, which has red, you are going to place in the answers. Okay, so for example, here, what you're doing is you are going to list the phase changes. So if you read your directions, it tells you exactly what you're doing. So here it says, label the following diagram with the correct phase changes. Terms must be spelled correctly in order to change this to green. So for example, here, the arrow goes from your solid to your gas, okay? Here, this arrow goes to this one. So, for example, we go from our solid to our liquid. We know that is melting, okay? So if you accidentally type it incorrectly, it will not turn green. If, for example, when you type this in, so for example, I'll take it out, okay, it goes red. If I type it, so if I put in melting and I accidentally put a space in there and I hit enter, it will not turn green. So you need to make sure that when you're typing in your answers that you don't accidentally put a space in there or do misspellings, because it will not turn green unless you have it spelled correctly. And then here's your total point value. Here it has a drop down menu for you to pick the proper word in order to make it turn green. Again, there are directions. Here it says complete the following table by describing the phase change. This will not turn green until the entire row is correct. So again, you're going to fill this in and it needs to be all correct in order for it to turn green. And then down here, you're going to match the scenarios again from your drop-down menu in order to answer the question, and then the entire sheet will be green. And then you'll have your point values as to how many points you earned from this worksheet, which it should be 35. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out. Again, when you're submitting this, you'll go to File. This is automatically saved in your Google Drive. So what you're going to do is go to Download. You're going to download a Microsoft Excel. It's going to download onto your computer, and then you're going to take this file and you're going to submit it into Schoology. The best thing to do is if you go up here and change and at least add your name, it's easier for you to find in your, once you download and make a file. So again, if you have any questions, just reach out.